Dear viewers, I'm Bersabet Tagle, and these are the major headlines for today. Eritrea College of Health Sciences meets international standards. Training on financial and material management by the Minister of Health. At least 14 dead in 2 attacks in northern Burkina Faso. And at least 238,000 early deaths due to air pollution in 2020. On your local reports, Sudanese medical experts that are here to inspect the final examination of the 5th-year medical doctors in cooperation with Eritrean lecturers confirmed that the education that Eritrea College of Health Sciences provides meets international standard, indicating that they have observed confidence that the 24 students of the college, including 16 females, demonstrated during the examination time that was provided from 20 to 23 November. Assistant Professor Mohammed Al-Fatah, general surgery expert, and Mr. Mohammed Midawi, lecturer at the University of Khartoum, said that these attests to the capacity of the students and the quality education they have been provided. The graduating students, indicating that they have been provided quality education during their stay in the college, expressed readiness to diligently serve the people and government that provided them the opportunity of education free of charge. The students also said that they had the opportunity to develop the theoretical training they were provided practically at various facilities of Eritrea Referral Hospital. Assistant professor and lecturers at the college, Dr. Takhasta Fuadu and Dr. Yosef Tawalda, on their part, said that the examination conducted in the presence of foreign experts was in continuation of the activity to evaluate the capacity of the students. The Ministry of Health organized capacity upgrading training to its members focusing on financial and material management. The training that was provided from 15 to 23 November and that was attended by 130 employees of the ministry from all the regions of the country included financial and material management as well as regulations of internal audit. Speaking at the concluding event of the training, Mr. Yamane Ta'addal, Director General of Administration and Finance at the Ministry of Health, said that the training that was provided to staff members from all regions of the country will have significant contribution in providing efficient and timely service to the public. The trainees, on their part, commending the training opportunity they have been provided, called for organizing similar training programs to the subzonal levels. Elections of area administrators and managing directors was conducted in the 13 area administrations in Barentu subzone. At the election that were conducted in the administrative areas of Amta, Asheti, Dase, Shakat, Sisima, Sosona, Barme Anagulu, Fide Anagulu, Kuluku, Salam 01 and 02, as well as Fethi and Biara, 30 area administrators and managing directors, including 10 females, have been elected. Mr. Yamane Mahari, acting administrator of the subzone, commending the outgoing area administrators and managing directors for their contribution, called on the newly elected to serve the people that elected them with commitment. The newly elected area administrators and managing directors, on their part, acknowledging the heavy responsibility bestowed on them, expressed readiness to strengthen organization of the people that elected them in the implementation of the charted out development programs in their areas. Dear viewers, do stay with us for the international reports after the short break. Welcome back. At least 14 people, including 8 civilian army replacements, were killed on Monday in 2 separate attacks by jihadist groups in northern Burkina Faso, security and local sources told AFP on Tuesday. A local VDP official contacted in Kaya confirmed the attack, citing a total of 7 dead, 10 wounded, and significant material damage. Since 2015, Burkina Faso has been regularly plunged into mourning by increasingly frequent jihadist attacks that have killed thousands and forced some 2 million people to flee their homes. These attacks have increased in recent months, mainly in the north and east of the country. On October 25, the new government launched the recruitment of 50,000 volunteers for the so-called VDP, or Defense of the Fatherland, civilian auxiliaries to the army who are to reinforce the ranks of the army in the fight against terrorism. On today's last report, the European Union's environment watchdog has reported 238,000 premature deaths due to exposure to fine particulate matter in 2020. This is according to figures released today by the European Environment Agency. Even as there was a fall in emissions due to COVID-19 restrictions, the data showed a slight rise in deaths compared to those recorded in 2019 in the 27-member EU states. According to European Environment Agency's analysis, 96% of the EU's urban population was exposed to concentrations of fine particulate matter above the level in the WHO guidelines. Fine particulate matter, or PM2.5, is a term for fine particulate that are typically the byproducts of car exhausts or coal-fired power plants. The size of the pollutants enables them to travel deep into the respiratory tract, exacerbating the risk of asthma, bronchitis, and other lung diseases. The report also said some 49,000 early deaths occurred due to nitrogen dioxide pollution, while exposure to ozone led to 24,000 deaths. The agency added that the number of premature deaths from exposure to PM2.5 fell by 45% in the European Union from 2005 to 2020. You're still watching ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Orota College of Health Sciences meets international standard. Training on financial and material management by the Ministry of Health. At least 14 dead in 2 attacks in northern Burkina Faso. And at least 238,000 early deaths due to air pollution in 2020. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.